Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share some simple and easy haircut ideas for people who want low maintenance hair. Low maintenance haircut are perfect if you don't want to spend too much time styling, blow drying or using many products. These styles look good naturally with very little effort. Let's get started. Low maintenance hairstyles should feel light, natural and easy to handle. They should work with your hair natural texture, whether straight, wavy, curly or coily. The goal is to choose a haircut that looks good even on days when you don't style it at all. The classic bob, a simple bob, is one of the best low maintenance haircuts. It ends around your chin or slightly below it. This cut falls neatly on its own even without styling. Long bob or lob ends around the shoulders. It's easy to maintain and it looks stylish with almost no effort. Shoulder length with light layers. If you like medium length hair, choose shoulder length with soft light layers. These layers give your hair natural movement without needing a lot of styling. Blunt cut. A blunt cut has straight, even ends. This style looks clean and polished and it does not need curled or slitting. Pixie cut is short, bold and very easy to manage. It makes only a few seconds to style. Just a little combing and you are done. Shoulder length waves. If your hair naturally forms waves, keep a shoulder length cut and let the waves do their thing. Curly cut with layers. For curly cuts, a layered curly cut is perfect. The layers help the curls fall naturally and stop the hair from becoming too big or too flat. Long with cotton bangs. If you want bangs but still want low maintenance, choose cotton bangs. They are long and soft, so they blend into your hair easily. Even if they grow out, they continue to look good. For low maintenance hair, try to avoid high maintenance bangs that need daily styling, heavy layers that require blow drying, cuts that need constant curling, or straight your very long hair which can take more time to manage. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.